So at first I thought I'd have difficulty adapting.
I thought that I would not be getting my crowd around here.
I was pretty nervous.
My mom was very against me coming into Bangalore. But then once you walked into the campus, she really liked how it looked. She said it's green and it's a lot of people that she saw around.
There's a lot of diversity. There's something much more about design in itself.
Every single day, I go to class and I feel extremely grateful that I choose design.
If you see me, I'm always roaming around campus. I cannot stay still. There is no place in the campus that is not pretty. Everything is beautiful.
I used to live with my parents for before this completely. It was all with my parents. They used to give me everything. I live with my friends now. I had to take care of myself and all that. So it took some time to get used to.
Meeting all of the professional speakers, all the people who are experts in their field, then having one-on-one interactions with them and having a lot of fun being with my peers, I feel like that's the most memorable part.
My best experience in Alliance is definitely one in hostel life, where all of my friends and we would get together in a room and have karaoke sessions at night.
Hostel life is just fun. You live with your friends, how bad can it be?
I'm happy that I get to finally do stuff that I've always wanted to do.
At first it used to be a hobby, but now Alliance is showing me how it can be a career.